All right, mates. Welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's doing well. We're here on the Bit Yard Exchange, and we're going to recap that Ethereum trade. Go back and look at the YouTube channel. You can see the video on the Ethereum entry at 1600. Why we entered that trade. Obviously, using the methods, and what our target was 1498. And that target, how you determine your targets, we'll get to discuss that. I discussed that a lot in the leverage course, and you'll be able to enroll in that course beginning September 1st for the new course. Obviously, that has adjusted to the current market conditions. But what it basically is you know your levels down by using your daily moving averages. Okay, it's a daily moving average method. And the course will go through that completely so you can understand how that applies. But basically, we had an elevated RSI level. That's an RSI trading method as well. The course will cover that as well, and which signaled to us overbought conditions. Okay, so that would mean a selling, profit-taking behavior. Remember, you're not trading price when you trade crypto. Okay, that's the number one mistake that 95% of people in crypto make, and a lot of YouTubers make. Okay, that had no prior experience, no prior Wall Street background, no prior trading background in options and futures and contracts and commodities. Okay, that's the biggest mistake that they make is they think that they're trading price. You're not trading price. Okay, you're trading behavior. Okay, all of your technical analytics and technical indicators are showing you behavior. Okay, price dictates behavior. Okay, a lot of times. And so here, let's open this up really quickly and kind of see where we're at for everybody. I know there were quite a few mates in this trade, and some are up 50, 60, some are up 80, 90. It really depends on the leverage that was used. Obviously in this market, I've been telling everyone to kind of stay at 10x or less just because of the market volatility. And so that's an easy thing for people to manage in terms of liquidation. Okay, you don't need to do any. It's just basic trading, mates. It's none of this anti-liquidation, none of these fireworks, booms, and missiles and wars and on the chart and all that stuff. Okay, that kind of stuff is just like it's like smoke and mirror. Okay, teach people how to trade. That's really what it comes down to. And so here you've got saw it up here, got it well above 1600 actually, 1620 channel, but the 1600 entry at 10x, you can see it's fallen down now, and it's fallen through. If you look over here at 7 and 21 day, and so that 1498 level at the time was a 21 day moving average. Okay, and you can look at that and see that we are now at 1499. Okay. And so when that trade was entered, look at that. So if you go to this candle and we went into that red candle right there, you're in the 1490s. And then once we hit that 7, we're at 1499. You can see that right over there in your, right there. It's 1499. So we had 1498 was our target. Okay. So we're at 1496 right now. Okay. So now we're going lower. Okay. But now we're below that DMA, which means you can exit the trade in comfort right now. If you exit the trade right now, if you're at 10x, you're at 68%. Okay. You should have a stop loss. You should have a sellout feature, depending on what exchange you're at, for your limit. It probably actually just triggered. It may have might have just triggered that beep. Now, if you were 25x in this trade, it would be 170%. Okay, at 1498. See that difference between 10% and 25. If you were lower, if you're at 5x, you're at about 32, 33%. Okay, so that's really how that works. And that's how now of course, that DMA, which is currently going on this candle, look, that 21 DMA is 1525. So 1525 becomes resistance now. If it moves back above 1525, that would be where you might want to consider to buy a buy-up trade but the problem with that is there's a narrow, if you look at your MA7 in the upper left-hand corner, there's only a $2 difference in